Hello and welcome to the My Bartender Guide to Making a Blowjob Shot. The infamous blowjob shot hails from the 1980s when sexually charged drinks like the Sex on the Beach were at the height of popularity at bars and clubs. The blowjob shot is meant to be consumed with the drinker's hands behind their back, using only their mouth to lift up the shot and drink it. You'll need amaretto, Kahlua, Bailey's, whipped cream, a shot glass, and a bar spoon. Begin by pouring a half ounce of amaretto directly into the shot glass. Layer a half ounce of Kahlua on top. Layer another half ounce of Bailey's on top by slowly pouring it over the bar spoon. Finally, top with whipped cream. And there you have it, a perfect blowjob shot. Bottoms up. If you enjoyed the content in this video and want to see more cocktail recipes and bartending info, make sure to like and subscribe.